Jai Hind friends, heartily welcome to all of you friends in ASolvy tutorial. So guys, our topic today is very interesting and easy to understand topic, right? So let's move forward to our topic. Okay, and the topic of today is loop in dictionary. Okay, so first let us understand something about it guys, so that when we do it practically we don't have face any problem in doing it, right? So our first point is you can loop through keys, values, or both keys and values pair in a dictionary, right? So first of all, let us read all the points once. Okay. After that, I will explain it to you in detail, right? So the next one point, it allow you to access each key and value in the dictionary one by one, right? Use the default loop or dot key functions. It is a dot key. This one is a function, right? First of all, I will choose the laser pointer. Okay, dot keys, this is a function guys. Okay, to loop through the keys, sorry, the is missing. Okay, and dot values, it is also a function to loop through values, and dot items and the round bracket is to loop through both, it means key or value both. Okay, the next one, different way to loop through a dictionary. First, looping through keys. Second, looping through values. And third one is looping through keys values both. Okay, or you can say that looping through keys value pairs, right? And the last point is looping through a dictionary allow you to process each item and perform operation like calculation, comparison, or other data modification. Okay, all of you guys knows that a Python, okay, in a dictionary store. So sorry, I will just have a mistake. A dictionary in a Python store or data in key value pairs, right? It is not in index number or whatever he seated down the values, right? Always in Python, a dictionary's data type is a store data as a key value pair. Okay, looping through a dictionary allow us to access either the keys, the values, or both. Okay, this operation, each item is stored in the dictionary, not for a single item, right? Always remember that it is not for a single item. Okay, when you want to perform operation on each item is stored in the dictionary. Okay, now the first way to loop through a dictionary, what is the first way to loop through a dictionary? Is looping through key. What is the looping through key guys? The simplest way to loop through a dictionary is the looping through its key. Okay, by default when you loop through a dictionary, it's iterate I will asking, it's iterates over the keys, right? Not for values or not for both, only for the keys. Okay, let's go for practical, right? For better understand. So guys, this was a previous video example, right? So let us erase first. Okay, and we will first create a dictionary data type, right? Just for student marks. Okay, then the variable name I put is marks. Okay, now instead of apple, what we put? Math. Okay, after that, what we put instead of banana? Physics, right? And another one is SST, just like social study, right? And the number, not 115, it was 85. Okay, so what we can do for next? Now the turn is for the starting of loop through keys. Okay, so first of all delete this one, and now our loop function is ready to run. The subject, okay, in what variable? Marks. Okay, and after that colon, and then okay, just remove it. Okay, now what for the next? Print. Okay, for output, right? And in round bracket subject, because of okay, it is just like mirror image. Okay, just like a mirror variable, we create a say duplicate variables which instead in for loop. Okay, just what I was saying, understand this as a way to generate another variable which help us in the loop function of the variable in us, right? So after we print, what print subject, and after that save. Now run in terminal. What we get the output, just wait. Okay, let's see here, right? Look, the output is only key, math, physics, SST, right? In this we did not use the function of dot key, rather it automatically took the default. Okay, why did we do it, right? So why did we do it, brother? Because it is needed first to store the value, right? Without key the value is not stored. Okay, that's why it is necessary to put a key, and after that we can put a value. Okay, so the next one, understand what is the function and how a loop is run, right? By using through a key, only key. Now turn is for looping through what value. Okay, so let's move on. Looping through value. Look, if you want to loop through a value, example the marks in this example, okay, you can use the dot value method, right? Not for just like this, you can use the dot value method to run the loop through values. Okay, now let's move it in next step, right? So first of all, what we can do, yeah, I have an idea. Okay, first of all, just I will delete subject and put here a score. Okay, in marks. After marks we just put the value function, sorry, value function. Okay, and after that we will run the score variable. Okay, and let's see, the value will run here. Why this? Yeah, okay, we found the error, guys. Here it is. Okay, a little mistake, s is missing, always values, right? And after that when we print the score variable, we saw here only the values, not a keys. Look here, there is 85, 55, 70. It is also 85, 55, 70. Okay, then you can learn how to what looping through a values or looping through a keys. Now the turn is for both, it means keys or keys and value pairs, right? So let's move on next one. Okay, first of all we cut this, and in this just I have some little changes in this loop function. Okay, just for I will create a subject and score both. Okay, because I need to print the keys or value both. Okay, so score in marks dot items. Okay, item function is used here, not only items, right? And now here we print what subject or score both. So here I will use f function. What is this f function? We will run in next video deeply. Okay, x function, and I will delete here and put here the curly bracket, also here curly bracket, right? And double quotes here. Okay, and also start subject, sorry, subject, right? in center colon and a score. Okay, now the program is ready to run the key and the value both. How it is possible, guys? Look, here I can put the two variables, right? Just one for keys whose name is subject and one for values whose name is score, and I will give the order to Python to run loop in both keys or values, right? In where? In marks. What is marks? Marks is a dix data type, right? And after that I will put the all values by using dot items function. Okay, and after that we will print generally by using the formatter string subject colon score, right? Then now see what we get the output. I hope there is no any error. Yeah, right, here is no any error found, and we have currently run the program. Okay, so first of all, math the number, physics the number, and SST number, right? Here look, the key and values both are shown in our output, right? So this method is the mostly common used when you need to access both the key and the value in the dictionary. Okay, guys, and one more thing, what is the common usage cases here, right? Then first one is data analysis. You can use looping through large database or large data set to process key value pairs, right? And the second one is just for text processing, right? For restoring word frequency and accessing each words and its frequency, right? And third one is user data. Okay, accessing user information just like profiles, okay, and setting a stored in a dictionary, right? So here is some common use cases, right? Okay, so we will explain it to you in detail with some example using Hindi in the new session or in new video. Okay, guys. If you people have any problem in understanding, then please tell me by commenting so that I can improve it, okay, and bring better video for you. All right. So till then, Jai Hind, Vande Matram, Bharat Mata ki Jai.